Hello and welcome back to Modulate. Today we're at Zokal Training in Newcastle, where we've just installed this customised training structure using one very modified shipping container and a lot of steel to build this solid mezzanine and stair structure. Zokal initially came to us for us to build just this training centre container, and they were going to outsource the mezzanines, walkways and stair system. We soon let them know that we were more than capable to design and build the entire structure for them. Now there's a lot to go through in this one, so let's get into it. Starting with the container, we fabricated these two manhole hatches with grab rails above them. These hatches are designed to simulate confined space entry. Another way to get inside the container without climbing through one of the holes is this full-size personal access door with an emergency push bar. We've painted the internals of this container black to make it as dark as possible when all the lights get turned off. We've also added in 4 of these steel swinging doors that individually lock off to create internal obstacles. The idea behind this room is that people on the training course will suit up with their breathing apparatus gear. They'll climb through the hatches into a room that's filled with fog from a smoke machine to simulate smoke from fire. Another way out of this container is up this ladder, through this hatch and onto the roof platform. Coming up the ladder out onto the roof of the container, we've designed this hatch which locks off and has 2 grab rails to assist with getting out. We've welded this entire frame onto the roof of the container and fit this galvanised walking tread for a safe surface to walk on. We've built the roof frame to overhang the container by about 1 metre or so to meet up with the wall. Wherever there's a walkway underneath, we've used a different type of walkway tread with finer mesh spacings to make sure nothing falls through. There's another way to get into this container, and that's through this second hatch. The method here is to be lowered down by the davit crane, which is training for harnesses and another point of entry for confined space. Stepping up off the container onto this massive mezzanine, you'll notice that we've used the finer space mesh here too. That's because people are going to be working underneath this mezzanine. We fabricated this orange platform to simulate a boom lift basket. The purpose of this area is to simulate escaping from a boom lift or other machinery that's stuck up in the air. Just next to the boom lift platform is another hatch and davit crane, which gives these trainers another confined space access point, which is this big white stainless steel tank. Zokal sourced and supplied this tank to us, and we did a few modifications to it, like putting the man hatch in the top and doing a few repairs to the outer shell. We then gave it a nice coat of white paint. These are the main access stairs to get on top of the mezzanine structure. We've designed it so there's a nice snug fit between the wall and the stainless steel tank. We've really enjoyed the challenge of co-designing this training facility with Zokal. They've been nothing but great to work with. We enjoy the full process of the projects that we work on, from the initial discussions and design with our clients to the completion and delivery of the finished product. Every job has its challenges, but there's nothing the team at Modulate can't handle. If you've got a project in mind that you'd like to discuss, give us a call or request a quote from our website. And like always, if you like this video and want to see more of our modular builds, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next build.